Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that we came across recently, the BESTMIG 165A dual voltage MIG/TIG/stick welder. You can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BESTMIG 165A? This is a true 4-in-1 multi-process welder that combines gas MIG, flux core MIG, stick welding, and lift TIG capabilities all in one compact machine. It's designed to deliver a powerful 165A output on a 220V connection, but it also works seamlessly on a 110V supply, making it versatile for different environments. This welder can handle a variety of wire sizes, including 0.030 inch, 0.035, and 0.040 solid and flux core wire, which means you can tackle projects ranging from thin auto body panels to heavy steel plates for farm equipment or light industrial repairs. One of the standout features of this welder is its detachable durable torch. This upgraded MIG torch is built for reliability and longevity, making it easy to install and simple to maintain. Its reinforced connections are designed to endure heavy use, so whether you're working in a garage, at a job site, or in a workshop, you can count on it to perform flawlessly, weld after weld. What makes the BESTMIG 165A particularly appealing is its dual control modes. For beginners, the SYNERGIC mode is a game-changer. All you have to do is select your wire diameter, and the machine automatically adjusts the optimal voltage and wire feed speed for you. This helps new welders learn the ropes without feeling overwhelmed. On the other hand, for seasoned professionals, the manual mode gives you full control to fine-tune your settings for precision welding, making it suitable for all skill levels. Another key feature is the smooth and reliable wire feeding system. The precision-engineered drive roller ensures consistent, jam-free feeding of all wire types and sizes. The easy load spool design eliminates common feeding issues, so you can focus on your work without interruptions. Whether you're using 0.030 inch or 0.040 wire, solid or flux core, this welder delivers every time. The BESTMIG 165A also includes a smart fan system that only runs when necessary, making it quieter and more energy efficient, alongside a large LED digital display that provides clear real-time readings for easy operation. And to get you started right away, the complete welding kit comes with an auto-darkening welding helmet, long welding gloves, solid and flux core wire samples, a shoulder strap, an integrated brush/hammer, extra drive rollers, and contact tips. Just open the box, and you're ready to weld. In summary, the BESTMIG 165A is a versatile and powerful welder that suits hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and light industrial users alike. Whether you're tackling a home